there, it's Beth from Scrapping Wonders, and I'm up with another Stash Raiders video with Crafty Meggy. And for this one, we did a birthday theme, and I believe I was supposed to use something else, but I don't know. It's been a rough couple of weeks for me, um, and I'm super late with my video because we had a stomach virus in the house, and it was awful, 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 awful. Anyways, what you just saw me do there is I matted all of my photos, and then I used my trimmer and it cut them all so crooked and wonky. I was so upset. That was like such a major fail. But I had this other piece of paper that I had also taken out of my stash, and I was like, okay, well, what I'll do is I'll just trim them on one side so that the paper on the other side will stick out. So I have this aqua paper on the top and on the left side of the photos, and then this light gray paper is going to be on the bottom and the right side of the photos. That was the only thing I could come up with to fix that major oh my god moment. I was truly super upset. And this is one of the reasons why I usually just cut the photos after I've matted them with my scissors, because inevitably something always happens to me where they don't get trimmed right. I also dug in my stash and I grabbed this super old paper. Some of it is from Gossamer Blue, which, as you know, has since closed, and some of it is really old paper from Felicity Jane, which I took out of my stash but didn't use. And then I have some super old Webster's Pages paper. And then the gray paper that I also used is really old from Studio Calico. So I went to my normal grid layout, and I think almost every video for Stash Raider so far I have done the grid format, but it's my go-to, especially when I'm not like 100%. And I laid my photos out in this grid format. I swear I yawn every single time because I edit my videos super late. But I did the tab punch. There we go. That's the word I was looking for. I used the tab punch and added a tab. I did quite a bit of journaling, and I added a camera metal embellishment thingy, and then I called this layout done. That was it. That's all I did for this layout. Nothing more. Oh, I'm lying. I stamped the date. That is it. That's literally all I did for this layout. It's done. I'm happy with it. And I hope you have been enjoying our Stash Raiders episodes. So thank you so much for watching. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Bye.